Local and History of Barataknevo. Barya or Lawrence, B.S. Marie, 2, Germany. Brief History. The barrio of Malotak in Dumangas was known for its well-bred horses, including a white stallion called Tamasak. Don Simon Potasio refused to sell his horse, leading to a negotiation with Manuel Gonzalez de Aguilar. In exchange, Tamasak was given to Aguilar in exchange for Malotak becoming a town. The town, renamed Barataknevo, focuses on fishing and agriculture with a 16th century Spanish Roman Catholic Church. Significant people and local heroes. Barataknevo, founded in 1811 by Don Simon Raimundo Potasio Bilet, is a premier municipality in the forefront of development in Western Visayas. The town's name comes from the Spanish word baro, meaning mud, and the Ilonggo word malotak, meaning new. In the 15th century, Barataknevo was known for its pure-breed horses, with Tamasak being the strongest and fastest. The Governor-General of country, Manuel Gonzalez de Aguilar, was given a horse from India, but refused to sell it. The Governor-General ordered Barrio Malotak to separate from Dumangas and proclaim its townhood identity. Barataknevo has become a prosperous and peaceful town in Western Visayas, with one of the highest per capita incomes in the province. Chief Caligdong. 37-year-old Caligdong, a former Air Force sergeant, has a stellar career with the Azkals, bringing the sport back to prominence in the Philippines. He was part of the 2010 Azkals squad that stunned Vietnam in the AFC Suzuki Cup. Caligdong's success is a tribute to his hometown Barataknevo, known as the football capital of the Philippines, which has produced many Filipino footballers, including former team members Ian Araneta, Antonio Piao, Roel Hinar, and retired football legend Elmer Bidia. Geography. Barataknevo is a coastal municipality in the province of Iloilo. The municipality has a land area of 94.49 square kilometers or 36.48 square miles, which constitutes 1.89% of Iloilo total area. Its population, as determined by 2020 census, was 58,176. This represented 2.84% of total population of Iloilo province, or 0.73% of overall population of the Western Visayas region. Based on this figure, the population density is computed at 616 inhabitants per square kilometer, or 1,595 inhabitants per square mile. Topographic map. The town of Barataknevo is divided into 29 barangays: Akwit, Agkuyawan Road, Agkuyawan Island, Brand New, Bungka, Gabilawan, Cruz, Igbong, Ilawod Poblasyon, Ilaya Poblasyon, Alawd, Cave, Likuan, Dinaw, Monpon, Palas, Salihid, Suol, Sohoton, Tabok Saba, Tabukan, Talisay, Tinurian, Tiwi. Culture. The municipality of Barataknevo and the 4th district of Iloilo are celebrating the first ever Tamasak Festival, a celebration of history, culture, and heritage. The festival, named after the mythical white stallion of local hero Don Simon Raimundo Potasio Bilen, features numerous events and showcases athletics and creative expression. Infrastructure. Tourist attraction. Infrastructure.
Ako na igapulong lang ko'y ang pagtalastas sang mga inagihan, banwasang barutan, kabayo nga bukay, ang ngalan si Tamasak, nangin baylo sang baryo sa tuwan ay ginatawag minurusang malutak, ang banwasang barutak sang timpo nga una, sakop sang Dumangas bilang kabisira, diri nagapuyo Potasio nga pamilya, kabayo nga bukay, ngalan si Tamasak, sila ang tagbiya. Jimpo nga una hinigugmata nga duta